Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on YouTube using AI. So let's go. So over the last couple of years, there's been an increase in popularity in faceless YouTube channels. And what that is a channel where you don't see the person's face, but you see stock videos and a voice behind the video. And I'm going to show you how you can use AI to create the channel. For the purpose of this illustration, I'm going to demonstrate how to use Textbuilder as well as Chatgpt. Okay, so once you come to Textbuilder, you're going to go to the templates. You're going to click on Turbo GPT or Magic Commands. You can choose which one you want to use. For the purpose of this illustration, I'm going to use Turbo GPT. I'm going to paste in my prompt over here, and the output is only going to be as good as the input. This is a very brief input. I could write a lot more around this, but I'm saying write a YouTube script on how to get out of debt real fast and make the script around 500 words. I could say how to get out of debt real fast by using the latest techniques. But again, just play around with this. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click generate text real quick. And we're going to see what output the software is going to generate or create for me. And again, when it comes to faceless videos, it doesn't have to be a 10-minute video or 15-minute video. It could be shorter, but generally speaking, when it comes to these sort of videos, if you can have a video that's at least 8 minutes, you can put ads at the start of the video and in the middle of the video. So that's why people like to talk about the 8-minute as a minimum. But again, this is just for illustration purposes. You can make this as long as you want. Okay, so here we've got the script over here. Okay, so that's my script over there, and it was 519 words. I'm going to use the exact same prompt, and I'm going to hop on over to ChatGPT real quick. So now I'm in ChatGPT, and I'm going to paste my prompt in over here, and I'm going to click enter, and it's going to go ahead and it's going to write a script for me. Okay, so there we go. There we've got our two scripts. The next thing you're going to have to do is you are going to have to take the script and you are going to have somebody read it, like I am at the moment, which I could do. Alternatively, like I said, you can outsource it, or you can make use of AI to actually go ahead and read the script for you. I've got a video, as I've indicated earlier, over here where I teach you how you can use softwares like Descript to clone your voice if I wanted it to be my own voice. Alternatively, you could actually use stock voices in various softwares, but I'm going to show you a software which does this all in one. So let me show you that real quick. Okay, so the first one I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Textbuilder scripts, and let me scroll down over here and I'm going to click copy. And then I'm going to go on over into the software which is called Pictory. They've got a script to video feature over here, and I'm going to click on proceed. I can come and I can enter a name over here for the particular video, and so this is how to get out of debt fast. Very important over here, you want to include spaces like this. So let me format the text real quickly and I'll come back to you guys. Once I've formatted the text, I am going to click on the word proceed over here, and I'm going to choose one of the templates. And so they've got a whole host of templates which they've added, and they're continuously developing the software. But let's say I want to go with that one over there. I can either decide that it's going to be a YouTube, like the 16:9 format, or if I wanted to do like a reel or a short, I could use that format. And this is a square format, but I want to create a YouTube video, which is not a short. I'm going to click on that, and it's going to go ahead and analyze the text, and it's going to come up with the video. Something to point out real quickly when it comes to the text created by the AI softwares, whether it's ChatGPT or Textbuilder, one of the other softwares, is to go in and read the text to make sure that it actually makes sense before you go and put it into the software itself. Okay, so once the software has actually gone ahead and it's created the different slides, you can see there's lots of slides over here. I can come into the various slides. So let's say I'm on this one over here. If I want to change the visual, if I'm not happy with the visual that they chose over here, I can come in and I can change the visual based on either searching by keyword over here. So let's say debt free. And I can choose one of these. Or if I wanted it to be just the word debt, I could come and I can choose, let's say I wanted to choose that one over there. I'll click on that and it gets replaced over here. And you can go through all of these scenes over here just to make sure that what they've chosen or what the software has chosen is what you want it to be. If I wanted this to be a video where there's no voice added to it, I could just go ahead and I can click download and the video would be good to go. But let's say I wanted to add a voice to it. I can come over here to the side over here and click on the word audio, and I can come to voiceover, and I can either choose one of their voices, and they've got a few over here, as you can see, based on the different regions. There's a US voice or US voices, UK, Australian, and so on. But let's say I wanted to choose Tom. Let's click on play real quick. He already sounds
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown.
Okay, so that's the voice, and if I like the voice, I can go ahead and I can click apply, and this is going to apply the voice to all the scenes. So if I come and I click on the word preview and give it a few seconds.
Are you tired of being in debt? Do you feel like you've tried everything to get out, but nothing seems to be working? Don't worry.
As you can see over there, his voice was applied to the particular scene, and in fact to all the scenes over here. If on the other hand I had my own voice that I wanted to upload, I'd click over here and I would go ahead and I would click on that particular area over there, and I could upload my voice. So whether it's my voice that I created in another software like the script, alternatively if I had a voice artist go and record the script for me, I can upload their voice over here. Something to bear in mind also is, depending on the plan that you've got in Pictory, they could actually go ahead and sync the full voice over. So you just upload the voice audio and it will match perfectly or almost perfectly to the script. Again, I encourage you to watch it, but it depends on the plan. There are some plans where you're going to have to do it slide by slide. So it just depends on which plan you find yourself on. If I'm happy with what's transpired in this whole video and I'm happy with all the scenes, I will go ahead and click on the word download video, and it's actually going to go ahead and it's going to create my video for me. This takes a few minutes, and I can click on this over here and run it in the background. In order to check the status of your video and how far it is, you'll click on this little bell icon over here and it'll show that the video has been generated. Another way to go and check this out, I can come to my projects and I'll find the video over here. I can click on that, and these are the different files that I've got over here. There's a link to that. Here's the MP3. If I wanted to download the audio, I can download the transcription too. But let's say I wanted to come back to the bell and I wanted to download it. I'll click on that over there, and I am going to click on download, and I'm going to play the video for you guys real quickly. Okay, so let me click play real quickly.
Are you tired of being in debt? Do you feel like you've tried everything to get out, but...
So I'm not sure if you could hear in the background over there, we actually had some audio, some music, and in Pictory itself you can choose the music that you want to apply, and I should have showed you guys that, and let me show you real quickly where to find that. If I come back to my projects real quickly and I click on this video over here and I click into the project file over here under audio, click on audio over here, by music, and I can search by the type of audio that I want to apply in the background. So I've applied this one over here, and I can also come and adjust the volume level of the voiceover, which is what you're hearing, as well as the background music. So just bear that in mind. You don't want to have the music too loud, but you can actually go and adjust the music level as well as the voiceover. Guys, and then once you've got the file that you are happy with, you can go to your YouTube account, you'll click on that create, upload video, and you'll literally click on that and you will upload your video to the channel like that. You'd obviously go through the naming convention, create a thumbnail, and all those important features if you want your video to be found. Guys, so as you can see, I created this video in 5 minutes. It's good quality, good voiceover, good script, and it's on YouTube now. And the very important thing to do, which is always important when it comes to YouTube, is to go ahead and put the right title in, right description, and I would like to have thought that we would have done our research beforehand, so I would know what the title is and the description, and that would have been some of the driving factors in the prompt that I was going to create and use when I created the video. So you'd go into that, into the thumbnail, so that it's going to capture people's attention, and they're going to watch your video, and you're going to start making money through AdSense once you reach the monetization threshold on YouTube, and also through affiliate products that you are promoting and recommending to people. So for more videos on how you can make money online, whether it's using AI or other tools or other strategies, click subscribe below.